अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं अब्दुल्ला। 7H न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। जीडी मटला के इलाके में स्यूवन फार्मा इंडस्ट्री में आतिशज़दगी का वाक़या पेश आया है। आइए देखते हैं ये रिपोर्ट।
Different culture,
different traditions,
different people,
all under one roof.
Under tree of knowledge.
This is Success Junior College.
Success Junior College. Academic excellence with reasonable fee structure. Excellent highly qualified faculty. Well furnished and hygienic classrooms.
And Parthasarthi, Principal, Success Junior College. Nowadays, all colleges are giving only education, but in our Success Junior College marks a difference by giving education with great discipline and developing their communication skills for future competition.
Learning made easy with exploratory science lab, separate building and namaz hall for boys and girls. Remarkable results in every subjects.
Join your ward in success for his or her future success.
Reach the success through Success Junior College, opposite Indian Petrol Pump, Santosh Nagar, Hyderabad.
खबर है शहर की,
खबर है गाँव की,
खबर है सारी दुनिया की।
7H न्यूज़
पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए,
शेयर कीजिए
और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
7H न्यूज़,
आपकी आवाज़।